Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that feels like it's been ripped straight out of an Iron Man movie, robotic exoskeletons. Now, I know that sounds futuristic, but trust me, these things are very real, and they're already changing lives in some pretty amazing ways. So let's start simple. What exactly is a robotic exoskeleton? Think of it as a high-tech suit that you wear over your body. Inside, it's got motors, sensors, and mechanical joints that basically boost your strength and mobility. It's kind of like giving your body an upgrade. You put one on, and suddenly lifting something heavy feels way easier. Or walking after an injury actually becomes possible again. And honestly, one of the most powerful uses of exoskeletons is in healthcare. Imagine someone who's been in a wheelchair for years, unable to walk. With one of these suits, they can stand up and take actual steps. That moment, it's life-changing, not just physically, but emotionally too. Companies like Rewalk and Exobionics are already making medical exoskeletons, and rehabilitation centres all over the world are using them to help patients recover movement after strokes or spinal cord injuries. That's the kind of stuff that makes this tech feel almost magical. But exoskeletons aren't just about medicine, they're also creeping into the industrial world. Picture a worker on an assembly line who has to lift heavy parts all day. Normally, that kind of job is exhausting and even dangerous over time. But with an exoskeleton, the weight is distributed and supported by the suit, which means way less strain and way fewer injuries. Companies like Hyundai and Panasonic are already testing these in factories. And, of course, the military is interested too, giving soldiers more strength and endurance without tiring out as fast and the future. Oh man, it gets even crazier. Scientists are working on connecting exoskeletons directly to the human brain. That means one day you could just think about moving, and the suit responds instantly. No buttons, no joysticks, just thought. We could see firefighters using them to carry people out of burning buildings, older adults putting on lightweight suits to stay mobile, or even rescue teams wearing them in disaster zones. It's almost like we're watching the line between human and machine blur in real time. So yeah, robotic exoskeletons might look like science fiction, but they're here, they're real, and they're making a difference already. If you had the chance, would you wear one? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're into future tech, and I'll see you in the next one.